Next one. Find the interest amount and future value for the following loan. Okay? Meron ka daw principal na 6,320 pesos at an interest rate of 4% from June 5 to December 15, 2005. So, binigyan ka ng exact date and then exact year. So, check muna natin yung year if that is leap year. Divide natin siya ng 4. Tignan natin kapag whole number, that is a leap year. If not, meron kang decimal point, that is not a leap year. So, 2005 divide by 4. Oh, therefore, it is not a leap year. Not leap year. And then, meron ang interest rate dyan na 0.04, 4%. And then, yung span mo is from June 5 to December 15. So, June 5 to December. Oy, Merry Christmas ha. Dahil bare months na. 2005. Now, we have to first check yung number of days na meron ka. So, starting from June 5, galik ka dito. Okay? January, February, March, April, May, June. So, walang buto, that is 30. So, June 30, that is 30 days in June. Tapos, lumipas yung 5, so minus 5. Tapos, July, that is 31. August, tignan nyo, August, buto pa rin, bumalik ka dito, August, that is 31. September, okay, September, walang buto, that is 30. October, bumalik ka dyan, merong buto, that is 31. And then November, August, September, October, November, walang buto, so 30 lang. And then December, ilang araw yan lumipas, so that is 15. December, that is 15 days. So we have to total. Anong total niya? 30 minus 5, I think that is 25 plus 31 times 2 plus 30, bale plus 60 ko na, plus 31 plus 15. The total number of days will be 193 days. Lagay mo dito, it is exact. Kasi nagbigay ng date. Now, what is asked? Hanapin mo daw yung interest amount, interest, and then the future value. We have to first look for the interest rate. Interest. Interest value for exact. That is PIN. The principal is 6,320 pesos. If my memory serves me correctly. Ayan, 6,320, tama. And then, the interest rate is 0.04, 4%. Check natin, yes. Tapos, ano yan? Not leap year, so it is divisible by 365 days. And then, ilang days yung nakuha mo dyan? 193, dahil exact interest to. So, the value of that will be 6,320 multiplied to 0.04 times 193 divided by 365. The answer is 133 pesos. Okay? Yan yung naging tubo niya. You have a profit of or interest of 133 pesos and 67 cents. That is the exact interest. Now, for the future worth, that is P plus I. O, meron ka ng I. Ito na yung nasa taas. So, that is 6,320 plus 133.67 pesos. So, add na lang ako dito ng 6,320. The answer will be 6,453. 6,453.67 pesos. That is the future worth of your investment, which is 6,000, or your loan. That is the future worth of your loan. And then the interest of your loan is 133.67 pesos after 193 days in exact simple interest.